So these fashion and styling hacks are literally all over the internet, and I'm pretty sure at some point even you would have seen them and wondered whether these actually work or not. So let's try these together and figure out whether they are worth the hype. So for the first few hacks, I need like a white shirt or an oversized shirt. इसलिए मैंने ये white shirt पहनी है. I got this from Sarojini Nagar, and all my outfit details will be there in the description, so you can check that out. Now moving on to the first hack. ये मुझे काफी ज़्यादा interesting लगा. I found this very different. I've never seen anything like this. This is basically how to crop like वो जो हम one side tuck करते हैं ना अपना shirt. Instead of that, how to do similar thing but by cropping it, like giving it this illusion of cropping it. So basically you need to button the first one.
Anything you want, I got it. Hop the first plane now.
So I think this is how she did it. I have double buttoned it and it looks good actually. Like I like it. Although you can tuck it also, मतलब tuck करना is easier as compared to decide करनी कौन सा बटन कहाँ double tuck करना है. The first hack was a success, so good start to the video. Although it took me like a hot minute to figure out कि कौन सा बटन कहाँ कैसे लगाना है. So if you don't want to go through that, तो एक side tuck कर लो, same effect आएगा. But if you want to try something new, you can try this, and I liked it. Now this next hack again involves a white shirt, and this girl basically has taken a scarf, wrapped it around her collar, like tie type का situation she has created, and this looks really cute. This is like a very, you know, a university, very dark academia wali vibes, if that is the aesthetic, or if you go to college, university, you can try something like this. So I have this scarf. This is a white scarf with neon stripes. कुछ black and white नहीं मिला मुझे, so I'll try with this only. इसको twist. Oh my god, I hope I don't strangle myself with this. अब इसको अंदर डालना है, and I have to crisscross this as well. I think I needed like a thinner scarf for this. But this does look cute. I mean, if you use the right scarf for it, I think it will look really cute. So if I style this properly, I'll just like crisscross the shirt and tuck it at the back. Like if I style it properly, it looks really cute. So now for the next hack, I actually need to wear a satin shirt. So मैं जल्दी से change करके आती हूँ. तब तक आप ये hack देखो and then we'll try it.
But all I need is you and your body.
Now this hack looks really pretty, and in this basically that girl has turned a button down shirt into a top. So that is how you can use a piece in multiple ways. Now for this you have to just turn your collars down, and this one is quite easy, and you have to just like properly like deep सा V-neck बनाना है सामने से, and she's actually like just tied it at the front. So I'll also do the same. So this is basically the hack. This collar is like very neatly turned down, and this looks so neat. I think this is the most practical so far. You can do this with any shirt. There was satin with it would be easier, but then even with a white shirt or something you can do this. And नीचे से you can just tie a knot or crop it or tuck it, like do whatever you want. But this one looks really good. It looks like a V-neck satin top बन गया with a shirt, and it's a nice way to, you know, just like play around with your shirts, and I like it. Like this gets a thumbs up. This looks quite cute. So this hack was a success, and now with the power of editing, I'll just like change out of these jeans in 3, 2, 1. Bam! There you have it. So I'm wearing these lavender pants, and not gonna lie, but I never expected red and lavender to look cute together. But this kind of is a vibe. Now for this next hack, this is for loose jeans or pants. And I have these lavender pants. ये waist से थोड़ा सा loose है for me, and I thought let's try this out. So basically what you have to do is this button, you have to just fold it through this loop here and then button it up again. Okay, it's done, but this doesn't look good. I mean, this looks weird. If you are doing this and wearing something जो कि इस part को cover कर ले, then I think it's good, because obviously tight तो हो गया है jeans काफी. But if you're wearing this with crop tops or sweaters, like crop sweaters or something, then this looks visible and it will look really weird. I mean, it is looking really weird. So it is doable, but I did not like it truthfully. So let me just take it out. It looks really weird. Now next, let me try one more hack that I found for loose jeans. You have to take either a scarf, like a smaller scarf, or a satin handkerchief, or you can take some sort of string या फिर ऐसा कुछ like something like this, and you have to just tie it like this. So let's try with both these. And मुझे लग रहा है कि ये काफ़ी ज़्यादा बड़ा है, so it won't look that good, but let's see if it's practical. So basically you just loop this and then you have to tie it. And obviously ये tight तो कर ही देगा jeans को as it has, but since it's a long scarf ये काफी ज़्यादा लटक रहा है. But if you use a smaller scarf ना, I think this will look really cute. Now for the next one, let's try the same thing with a string.
But all I need is you, and your body. All this money don't mean nothing without you. Give me honey.
And then you can tie a cute bow. And yeah, this looks quite cute, man. I like this. I think this looks cute and बहुत different सा लग रहा है. You can obviously use a smaller piece and इतना बड़ा सा bow नहीं बनेगा उसका, because this is looking a little bit like a present. But this is a cute hack. You can try it. You can again do it at the back also यहाँ पे. And if you're wearing a blazer or a coat or something, वो छुप भी जाएगा if you want. That kind of situation, but I like it. I think it's cute. This gets a thumbs up also. Like, look at my outfit right now. Lavender pants, red satin shirt, and a black bow at the side. Now this is a hack on how to elevate your cardigan. Just basically unbutton the first and the third button and crisscrossing them. Okay, I'm really excited for this next cardigan hack, because I love wearing this kind of cropped cardigan during winters and fall season, and it's almost here, so I'm really excited about it. So ये वाला unbutton किया, then I'll unbutton this one and I'll just tie them. I really like this hack. I think this is my favorite and it's something that you need to try. Also, how cute is this outfit? Hey, love this.
Let's take down the moon, melt it down and make a fondue. So where you wanna go, let's see it all. Selfies on the great wall.
My hair is a mess at this point, but now we've moved on to a last hack, and आपने already देख लिया है. So it's basically a hack for a tank top where you have to just crisscross these both these straps. So ये वाला strap would go on this side. You can even do something like this. ये वाला hack भी काफी trendy है. Actually मैंने ये भी कहीं पे देखा था. Just crisscrossing. ये spaghetti tops में ज़्यादा cute लगता है. But I think even with this top, it's working. नीचे से you can just tuck in your top ऐसा करके and it'll look cute. But for this one, we have to crisscross this as well on this side. It's something like this, and I personally like halter neck on me. So I know I like this hack as well. And this is it. This is the next one. I think this looks really cute. This is again another like hit from my side. I like this hack. काफी cute लग रहा है. This is I think like my second most favorite hack from this video. The first one is definitely the cardigan. This might be a second one. And yeah, that's it. With that we come to the end of this video. Some hacks were quite like a big hit, and some were like if you want me to do a part 2 of it, tell me in the comments. जैसा वीडियो का रिस्पॉन्स आएगा उसके हिसाब से I'll do a part 2. And if there any hack that you want me to try, आपने Instagram में देखे तो मेरे को videos DM कर दो, and I might try them in my next video. And yes, that's it. If you liked it, like करना, comment करना, share करना, subscribe करना. Comment below your favorite hack and subscribe कर लेना if you haven't already. Click on this red button to subscribe and then click on the bell sign so you get notified whenever I upload a new video. And share this video with your friends if you can. If they like the channel, ask them to subscribe as well. And that's it. Bye guys. I love you. Thank you for being here. I'm always so grateful for you, and have an amazing day. Bye bye.
So where you wanna go, let's see it all. Selfies on the great wall, maybe the Taj Mahal. Hey, we could stay out late after dark, take a gamble in Monaco, we could swim with the sharks.